Okay, well, I'm on my way home. I'll get with the Bonneville story a little later. I'm too tired right now. But anyway, I just got into Sparks, Nevada, which is about 4 hours from where we live. I'm staying at a Super 8. This place looks really nice. I mean, I don't know, but I'm impressed with the outside. I just got here. It looks like a new building. Nice landscaping. It's called the Alamo, and they've done the stucco with the bricks in there like it's been all busted apart. It's really kind of neat. And the other good thing about this, it's only $65 a night with tax. And this is a major truck stop. It's a Petro. And in the back is where all the trucks are parked for the night or whatever they're doing. I'd like a little park here. Anyway, just kind of a neat place. Over there is the part of the complex. And that's the casino. They also have a regular Petro store inside for the truckers. They got all the truck crap that they can buy. Food and hot dogs and all that. And then they got a buffet restaurant. Yeah, it's kind of a neat place. I knew it was here, but just never had any reason to spend the night. I drove in here one time and got gas, but I didn't realize that it had the motel that was tied in with it. Anyway, this is where I'll be for tonight before I head home. And maybe I can get some videos uploaded of what I did at Bonneville. I couldn't get much because I ended up having a couple of disasters there, so I didn't have time to take any videos. Anyway, see you guys later. Have fun. I'll see you later.